Okay, so what you're gonna watch here is me edging over 1,000 feet of overgrown sidewalk. It's roughly 1,000 feet between the curbing, the sidewalk. This is overgrown anywhere from 6 to 8 inches all the way through this property. It's a corner lot, so it makes it that much worse for amount of sidewalk and curbing. This took me 9 hours in total to do. I really wasn't pushing it too hard. I wasn't rushing. I was just kind of working at a steady pace, but it took me 9 hours spread over 3 days. I started the night before, which I didn't film. I filmed this night, and then I filmed one other night after I got rained on here. This house has been for sale in my neighborhood for about 2 years. This house has been for sale. So I kind of went up to that one day and asked the guy, wants me to do some of his lawn work for him, because lawn was overgrown, it wasn't maintained well, and I think he was to the point where he wanted it gone, so he wanted somebody to maintain it for him. So I threw him a price for mowing lawn and did the lawn 2 or 3 weeks, and came up and threw him a price for edging, and I didn't lose money on this. I came out pretty good, but it was a good price. I figured you'd say no, but surprisingly he said yes, and lo and behold, I did the lawn for about a month and a half. The house was sold, the papers were signed Thursday, so the house sold this week. But I'll let you enjoy the rest of this here. There is no audio. It was shot on a GoPro with time-lapse, just because I knew it was going to take me forever to do. And as you can see, about how much I'm taking off here is just crazy. The part on the other side of the driveway here behind the tractor I already did the night before, and I didn't film that. But this here I filmed all the rest of it, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy. Just for reference, if anybody's ever gonna quote like a long or a super bad edging job like this roughly took me about an hour to do 100 feet. Like I said, though, this was overgrown 4 to 6 inches. You'd have to edge it, scrape it, all the grass away, come back through, edge it again, sweep the stuff away, edge it again just to kind of clean it all up. And I'm using a Stihl 111R Kombi with the straight shaft edger. Also check out my description down below this video. I added a bunch of new stuff to that. And yeah, if you've seen this clip before, this was posted on my Instagram story about a month ago already. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you're kind of missing out on a lot of the up-to-date stuff. But that link to my Instagram is also down below, or you can just search Instagram for master.of.everything. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. Enjoy. Like, comment, rate, subscribe. Click that thumbs up button. Comment down below, even if it's just to say hi. The more you comment, the more the video gets engagements, the more the YouTube monster algorithm will share the video to other people. The more people that like my channel, the more I'll be more interested in making better and more videos. So it's a win-win for you, a win-win for me. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy, and yeah, have a nice day, night, evening, morning, Kwanzaa, who knows.
One.